mercy. Hey! Knockout!
Our next roaster, ladies and gentlemen, is Rohan Joshi. Rohan Joshi recently moved from Malabar Hill to Santa Cruz. That's like moving from Ranbir Kapoor to Ranbir Singh. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Who does that? So please welcome the worst thing to happen to the Gujaratis since Tarak Mehta, Rohan Joshi.
Oh, holy crap, look at all these Bollywood people in the front row looking scandalized. Last time I saw a bunch of Bollywood people look this scandalized, they'd just been told they have to earn awards, not buy them. Why are they saying in public what we say at parties? Karan Johar, how's it going? Karan Johar, fantastic host, yes. Karan, you are exactly like the movies you make. You both have massive openings. Karan, your filmography, all right? Let me do this. कुछ कुछ होता है, कल हो ना हो, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Dude, you are so obsessed with the letter K, you probably snort potassium. Alia, don't even try. Don't even try. All right? Just let it be. But seriously, Karan, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham is the worst fucking thing I have ever seen. It is the worst thing that Amitabh Bachchan has ever been in. And he's been in a fucking coma, dude. Let's talk some more about Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. Yes, in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, an enormously fat child magically grows up to be Hrithik Roshan. You bastard, you ruined Tanmay's life. You bastard! You ruined his life! He just sat there for 10 years wondering when he'd transform. And now look at him! Tanmay Bhatt, good friend of mine, how's it going, man? Tanmay Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen, Tanmay Bhatt is so fat, his small intestine is his large intestine. And his large intestine is Mukesh Ambani. Abish Mathew is here. How's it going, man? You good? You sweet virginal boy. Abish Mathew is such a virgin that in 5 days he's going to give birth to Jesus. Unfortunately, Abish Mathew is also so ugly that Jesus doesn't love him. He just wants to be friends. Gulsimran Khamba, what's up, man? Ladies, huh? Oh, all the cheap seats are yelling. Fun fact, Gursimran Khamba's dad's name, I am not making this up, is Manmohan Singh. I'm not making this up. This just goes to show that if your name is Manmohan Singh, zindagi mein ek chutiye bacche ko to palna hi padega. Ashish Shakya, represent. Just speaking in your accent. But seriously, Ashish Shakya is so black, he should be sitting in a Swiss bank account. Ashish Shakya is so black, a white cop got away with killing him. Raghuram of Roadies fame. Raghu, you dedicated an entire decade of your life to giving one uneducated child every year a shitty motorcycle. You're like Muslim Santa Claus. To the men of the hour, Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor. Ranveer Singh, you're Sindhi, aren't you? You're so Sindhi that you insist that your girlfriends bring back the receipts from the abortion clinic. For tax purposes. But you're such a pervert, Ranveer. You are, it's true. You're such a pervert that that photograph of Deepika Padukone in the Times of India was taken by him. Arjun Kapoor, you've gone on record to say that Aditya Chopra told you at the start of your career that you are not a good-looking guy. Brother, when an invisible dude tells you you're ugly, Arjun, stay down there because I have to hand it to you. It takes a special person to be the least talented person in a family that has Sonam and Sanjay Kapoor. But seriously, thank you guys. It's mind-blowingly cool of you to do this, and I thank you so much for it. Thank you so much. Add sexual asphyxiation to his list.
All right then, our next roaster is Abhish Matthew. Abhish Matthew, ladies and gentlemen, says that he's religious, which is what all virgins above a certain age call themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage a man who needs an introduction but doesn't deserve one, Abhish Matthew.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Karan Johar. Isn't he fabulous? Karan, your show, Coffee with Karan. Wow, man. If that show was any more incestuous, I would call it Dadar Parsi Colony. Ladies and gentlemen, my man Raghu Ram is here. Oh, yeah. Raghu, you are so abusive. We tried to hi-fi your wife. She ducked. Ladies and gentlemen, Rajiv Masan, give it up for that guy. Look at him. You look like a hobbit had sex with a Pillsbury Doughboy. Rajiv Masan is a strict film critic, ladies and gentlemen, and does not give out 5 stars easily, nor does he give out Perk, Munch, Bounty, Eclairs, or Snickers. You are like a walrus and a seal fused together. You appreciate cinema something like this. Aditi Mittal is one of the top comics in the country. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I got that wrong. Aditi Mittal has been on top of most of the comics in the country. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the star attraction for the evening. Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh. Yeah? Arjun, you said as a child, every time Sonam Kapoor, your cousin, went out on a date, you used to join her as the third wheel. That is the first time a third wheel had 4 tires. But congratulations, you are slim now. And you've been dating Sonakshi Sinha. Congratulations there. But those are all rumors. That's not true. Because you know you're not supposed to freaking touch carbs. Let me sing to Mr. Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh, all you single ladies out there, Ranveer Singh is actually on Tinder. Yeah, or as he likes to call it, Flipkart. Ranveer, how does it feel to be the only sad person in the country every time Virat Kohli scores a century? Anyway, Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh, thank you so much for having me. Roast you guys. You guys are super cool. You guys are an inspiration to a generation. Keep continuing being cool. Thank you so much.
Hello. Our next roaster is Aditi Mittal. She's only here because we needed one girl on the panel so that Ranveer Singh has someone to joke off to. Please give it up for this lady and gentleman, Aditi Mittal.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for having me on this show. Kamba, you just are so far up Tanmay's asshole that Tanmay's dinner last night is your breakfast this morning. And ladies and gentlemen, Tanmay is here. Tanmay Bhatt's idea of going down on a woman is bending over and asking, Maushi, ye potato kitne ka hai, Maushi? Rajiv Masand. Rajiv, I'm not saying that you're fat, but you look like a steamed momo. Raghu, I'm a big fan of your work. A ceiling fan of your work. Like a stool, a rope, and a ceiling fan. Abish, if a girl has sex with you, she becomes a virgin again. You are literally a hymen repairman. But no, from the over-entitled assholes on my right to the over-entitled assholes on my left. Karan, I feel like the only reason you would come out of the closet is if you heard that Jaya Bachchan was waiting outside with a thali. Arjun, I think your greatest role so far has been your career. And Arjun, we can't forget it. You failed 12th standard. You failed. You're so dumb that when you first saw a dildo, you went looking for the plastic man it fell off from. You were like, kiska hai, maine? Speaking of dildos, Ranveer is here. And Deepika is dating Ranveer, as we all know. It's great. Deepika, as a woman, I want to say thank you. You're taking one for the team. Thank you for keeping him off the streets. Thank you so much. My name is Aditi.
Thank you, Aditi. What happened? All okay? बाकी है. पीछे मुड़ जाओ. All right. Our next roster is Rajiv Masand. Rajiv, I don't know why you review movies. If I wanted to watch a pasty, high-pitched diva be clueless about films, I'd watch Anupama Chopra. Give it up for the human loofah, Rajiv Masand.
Thank you. Does it look familiar, Rajiv?
Thank you. It's good to be here. Look at Karan being openly mean to me. I guess you don't have a movie coming out anytime soon, huh? Karan, you joked about how you pay me for good reviews. Here's a thought. You wouldn't have to pay a critic if you'd actually paid for a decent fucking scriptwriter. Karan Johar went from hating Anurag Kashyap to loving him. So you're the opposite of Kalki. Now, speaking of people who blow Karan Johar for work, AIB is here. Hey Ashish, loved you in 12 Years a Slave. And in Captain Phillips. And in Kim Kardashian. But let's get to the stars of the night. Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh. Ranveer, you're so slutty. Every time I start a rumor about you, turns out it's already true. Your cock travels faster than the speed of gossip, man. Arjun Kapoor played a double role in Aurangzeb, so he could disappoint his father twice. But all jokes aside, thank you for having me here. Arjun, Ranveer, this was great fun. And it's also the only time I'll be using those two words to describe anything that you're involved with. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Give it up for Rajiv Masan, ladies and gentlemen. Our next roaster is the multi-talented Tanmay Bhatt. But then I realized that loud and fat are not talents. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the sentient butt cheek, Tanmay Bhatt. Ladies, I'm giving it for Karan Johar. Karan Johar, ladies and Karan Johar, yes. Karan, you're not like most people. Karan, you're not like most people. Because when most people come, they come like, Karan, when you come like, Karan Johar, why the fuck do so many of your movies pander to the NRI audience? Really, if you pander to the NRIs more, I'd have to call you Narendra Modi. But everyone's made so much fun of you, Karan. Everyone's made so much fun of you. I want to talk about the positives about Karan Johar. Karan Johar gives so many helpless actors a chance in the industry. So many actors who have no connections in the industry, Karan launches them. You know, like Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan. Actors who have no idea how to launch themselves if it wasn't for Karan Johar. Karan, you are fantastic at uplifting the already fucking uplifted. You are Robin Hood. You give money from the rich to the rich. What do you do? Meet Aisha Take, give her a push-up, bro. What is wrong with you, Karan? What the fuck is wrong with you? But of course, after co-founding AIB, I've had the pleasure of working with the finest, most talented, hardworking, and funniest comics of this country. Also you, Rohan. Rohan, some people say you're an unfunny fuck who has a career only because you have a vaguely generic face and your connections to the Bhatt family. Rohan, don't listen to those people. Those people are jealous, those people are petty, those people are right, but don't listen to them, Rohan. Ashish Shakya is here, ladies and gentlemen. I want you guys to give a round of applause to Ashish Shakya. It is not cool that so many people came here and made jokes about you being ugly. It's not cool. Ashish, you are the hottest guy in AIB, all right? You are the hottest guy in AIB because black absorbs more heat. Scientifically, he's the hottest guy, is all I'm saying. Aditi, I personally think you're the best female comic on the panel today. It's so nice. Aditi, you're so Punjabi, you don't wear lingerie, you wear a brrrra. Frumpy Tits reminds me, Rajiv Masand is here. Rajiv, why do you use so many fucking fancy words to describe simple concepts? Why do you do that? Like if I were to describe you, I would not say Rajiv is the pinnacular zenith of biopollinating vaginal diaspora. I would just say ek number ka chutiya aadmi. It's simple as that. Why are you complicating simple shit? एक नंबर के चूते से दो चूते का नंबर आ गया. Can we give it for Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor? Yes. Arjun, you are the grandson of producer Surinder Kapoor, son of producer Boni Kapoor, and entrepreneur Mona Shuri Kapoor, cousin of actor Sonam Kapoor, nephew of TV tycoon Sandeep Madhwa, nephew of actor Anil Kapoor. Tell me, was it tough to get into Bollywood for you, huh? Was it tough? Did you have any fucking connections? You self-made man. Ranveer, you put on a Krish costume and danced on Linking Road for a dare. You don't have to do that, man. At least wait for your next few flops before you start dancing at a signal. Look at fucking Arjun smiling. Arjun, smile for the audience. Smile for the audience. Fucking the creepiest smile in the world. Just smile. Arjun, your smile is so creepy that when Shakti Kapoor looks at it, even he checks his top button. Like, कुछ दिख रहा है क्या उसको? क्या हो रहा है? Oh shit. ऐसा क्या घूर रहा है मेरे को? Shoot. Wow, you're so smart. Thank God you're not a writer. But easily the creepiest thing today on the dais,
is Ranveer Singh. Seriously, Ranveer, you're such a slut. If you fucked a chick with Ebola, she would die of AIDS first. Ranveer, you're such a sleaze. You didn't get turned on until Deepika uses the pepper spray on you. Karan, you approached Ranveer Singh for one of your films, Shuddhi. Ranveer, of course, took the audition because he thought it was called Fuddhi. Arjun, I'm not saying you're doing badly, but the last time I saw Kapoor struggle so hard, Anil was trying to speak English at the Oscars. Oh, what a play! Chagda, what a play! Mere padam pe chagda, chagda. Even Ryan Seacrest was like, chup bhusri ke, kya bol raha tu, hut? In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Eddie Abbey, we have always tried to push the envelope in the genre of comedy, be that with the video with Alia, or with our first video with Yash Raj, or today with Insult Comedy. And this would not have been possible without two of the coolest young kids in Bollywood. It gives me great pleasure to ask you guys, please give a huge fucking round of applause for Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor.
After doling out that shit to me, how come none of you have thanked me, you fuckers? What are you doing? I said thank me, not wank me.
There's room for at least 3 more.
I like it like that. Harems are my thing. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was our panel. Huge round of applause. Please welcome Arjun Kapoor and Ranveer Singh.
4,000 रुपए दे के ये देख रहा है हमारी पिक्चर में देखो कि जाकर
Industry!
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Genuinely like, क्या बोल because I was the first guy, right? So, and he hadn't heard all the jokes that. So that was hilarious.
All right then, give it up for this